Good morning guys, I'm Paola Quintero, welcome to my cooking show, and I will show you how to prepare a fresh lemonade. The ingredients that you need to prepare a fresh lemonade are 3 lemons, 3 or 4 spoonfuls of sugar, 5 cups of water, and some little ice. Steps. First, you will have to cut the lemons in 4 parts, like this. And then you will put the lemon in the blender. Second, you will have to put the water in the blender. Remember, it's 5 cups. And then you mix them. Third, you will strain the lemonade. And pre-intemediate the lemonade in the blender. And add the sugar. And mix them. Finally, you will have to pour the lemonade in a glass with the ice and taste. And that's it. We have a fresh lemonade.